Can low production YouTube ads compete with the high production YouTube ads? Do you really need to fork over all that money for the lights, camera, action? Or can you get away with a home video shot on your trusty smartphone? This is the question that we are tackling in today's video. We have advised and assisted many of our agency clients on this very topic and helped them scale their businesses all the way up to 7 or 8 figures. So if you want this top-notch information, definitely stick around for today's video and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And now I'm about to share with you some of our best tips. Thanks, and let's get right into it. The reality of the situation is that most of us simply do not have the budget and therefore even the option to test out this super high production route. There are these top tier agencies like Harmon Brothers that make truly cinematic masterpieces, and they do convert really, really well. However, there are some best practices that can help make this a lot easier. So that's what we're going to be covering in today's video, and this can really shorten and sharpen your learning curve. So listen up. Here are some tips how you can shoot low cost YouTube ads that convert just like professional ads. It really is possible that simple and cheap ads can convert just as well. It's been proven that natural, personal ads work. People like scenarios that are casual and relatable. So keep this in mind when you're establishing the tone for your videos. The other area of operations to really nail is equipment. And there really are just 3 key pieces of equipment that you'll need. Number 1 is a phone with a good camera. And let's be honest, it's 2020. That's basically any phone. And number 2 is a gimbal. And we can insert a little picture here for anyone that doesn't know. But a gimbal is a little handheld device that helps smooth and stabilize video. It's really good so that it's not too shaky and makes you dizzy when you're watching the footage. And then number 3 is a microphone. So you're just going to want to use whatever the best microphone is that you can get your hands on. So for example, if you're outside moving around, the best option for you might be a lavalier mic, which is a little one that clips onto your clothes. Or if you're sitting indoors, you might just want to use like a shotgun mic that mounts on top of the camera or on a boom, or you could use like just a directional mic that sits on the desk. There are tons of options, and just use whatever the best one is that you can get your hands on. As far as equipment goes, it's literally that easy. Just remember those 3 things and do your best. And honestly, it's 2020. Technology has come a really long way. For the most part, you can throw together a pretty decent quality video with very minimal equipment. Then all you're going to do is record a simple video of you reciting your script. And if you're looking to really craft the perfect script, we have a ton of resources that can help you with this. And you could look on our YouTube channel for videos, you can look in our Facebook group. And if you're really looking for the holy grail of information, we have our YouTube Experts Ads course. And there's a whole chunk of videos in there that is solely dedicated to perfecting your script. Honestly, if you have a little bit more of a budget, you could even consider hiring a professional copywriter. Honestly, this phrase is going to haunt you in your sleep, but whatever you do, perfect your script. However, it's absolutely not necessary that you hire somebody. If you are looking to educate yourself and do it on your own, that is totally a viable option. And we actually have a video on our YouTube channel of Shash covering exactly how to do this. We will link that for you here. And that's it. It really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. All you need to remember is tone, equipment, and script. These types of ads absolutely can and will perform and deliver a huge ROI when done properly. Try it out for yourself and let us know how it goes. If you have any questions at all, drop them down below in the comments and we will get back to you so that we can help you out. Other than that, good luck. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.